Two. Hello, everyone. My name is Zenis, and this is my partner Rishi. So we are presenting our project, the degree dividend, predicting earnings and unemployment from college majors and demographic using ACSPM's data. So the relationship between college major and labor market outcomes matters deeply to students and policymakers. So we used the 2024 ACS PUMS data to investigate which major are associated with the highest wages and lowest unemployment to predict these outcomes using machine learning and to examine if model errors are equitable across demographics. So this was basically our abstract and introduction. So, furthermore, so we did some previous research documents that engineering, computer science, and health majors command large earnings premiums over humanities. So this study shows that tree assembles outperform linear models for income prediction when occupation and education interaction matters. Importantly, prior literature document that Sanchez trained income models systematically produce higher error for racial minorities, which directly motivated our subgroup evolution. And so for data, we sourced our data from the 2024 ACSPM's files from the US Census Bureau. So we filtered the data set for individuals over the age of 18 who are actively in the labor force. So this resulted in a final data set of approximately 3 million records spanning 14 variables. Um, next, for descriptive analysis, to ensure our finding represent the full U.S. working age population, our statistics are weighted by the PWGTP, person survey weight. So we observed a stark monotone pattern. So graduate degree holders average $107,000, which is nearly three times to the um, $33,000 average for the least educated group. And when grouped broadly, STEM leads in wages at roughly $110,000, while arts has the highest unemployment at approximately um, 5%. And individually, health and medical preparatory programs lead the wage ranking at roughly 135,000, while film, video, or like photographic arts top unemployment at approximately I would say 7%.
Um, Great job, Zenas. I'll walk through our modeling methodology now. We utilized a supervised learning pipeline with one regression task for wage prediction and one classification task for unemployment. Because the wage distribution was right skewed, we targeted the log transformation of wage income for regression. And for classification, we targeted unemployment and used balanced class weights to account for severe imbalances as unemployment is only about 3% of the sample. We trained linear or logistic regression, random forest, and gradient boosting models and utilized permutation importance to evaluate our features. Some of the evaluation gradient boosting was the top performer across both tasks. It achieved a log R squared of 70% for regression and an F1 for 0.42 on the unemployed class for classification. For regression feature importance, hours worked and weeks worked dominate the predictions with field of degrees ranks sixth, confirming it holds real signal beyond labor supply. Our subgroup analysis revealed that males have a substantially higher wage prediction, error of 31,000 compared to 19,000 for females. We also found large racial disparities in wage prediction error, with Native Hawaiian or Pacific Islanders having the highest error of approximately $34,000. Some of our discussions were our analysis shows that while excuse me, while how much you work primarily predicts annual wages, your field of degree retains significant predictive power. However, the wage error disparities we uncovered across racial groups are concerning, and naive accuracy metrics hide systematic underprediction for specific subpopulations, highlighting the need for fairness aware modeling. Some of the limitations that we faced, we must note our estimates are correlational, meaning selection on ability and background confounds major wage relationships. Additionally, our wage target excludes self-employment income, which could potentially misrepresent entrepreneurs and gig workers. And finally, to conclude, our labor supply variables dominate feature importance, but college major retains an independent predictive power. And furthermore, our subgroup analysis exposes meaningful fairness gaps, motivating future work on equitable income prediction methods. Thank you.